Hello, my name is Kayden Shi, and I'll be presenting a project I have been working on. My idea. My final project is a simple calculator. What I really liked about it is that I am able to apply what I've learned in the class and create my own project. The main features I created for my project are allowing users to choose if you want to multiply, add, subtract, or divide. My program will also calculate any number that is inputted by the user. How I created my project. I used Tkinter, if, elif, and else statements. So is functions. During class, I learned variables, if-else statements, creating Tinker, and functions, which I used in my project. Function is a block of code that is to perform a certain task. It allows programmers to write a clean code for their application. Tkinter is a message box. Oh, sorry. Tkinter is a message box that makes my output look more computer-like and even program the mouse. This is a code example. The importing is to import the whole window-like computer, and then the def is the functions that I use to make it more neat. This is where everything happens. The if and elif statements are how I could calculate the number it chose, and the top one, where it says welcome to my simple calculator, is my intro page. This is a quick demo of how my simple calculator works. I first start off as running the computer, and then like any other computer does, it has a login page. So I click OK, and then it would ask me to choose 1, 2, or 3 for what type of math you want to learn. So if I do addition, and I first choose 5 and 4, it will show the answer up in the output. If I choose 2, it will be subtracting. This one could also be used as negative numbers. So if I use 3 minus 4, it will also input -1. For multiplication, it could also find the answer. If I do 3 and I choose my first number as 4 and 5, it should be able to calculate. Huh.
Maybe zoom. Can you zoom out the screen?
Oh,
Yeah,
there.
maybe it's too small.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. And then if I choose for the number 4, if I click OK, and then if I choose the number 4 to do division, I could do, let's say, 20 and 5. It would give me the answer as 4. Note to self, it could also calculate any errors, like if I do 4 again, if I do division again, so I type 4 and I do 3 and then divide by 0, it would also input error. The next steps. My favorite part while working on this project was testing out the programs and fixing problems and learning why these problems occur. If I were to continue to work on the project, I would add these 3 things. I would add more different types of calculation, create the output more computer-like using Tinker, and make a clear button to erase all the numbers on the output. My hardest thing I had to do during my project was trying to fix the errors and see what would happen if, let's say, like 3 divided by 0. I would have to create something where it says that it wouldn't work. The easiest thing is creating functions, which is a very easy thing to learn. It's just something that really, is sticked into my mind. Thank you.